Thuya wood, burl. Thuya burl wood, derived from the Tetraclinis articulata tree, is known for its reddish-brown color, pronounced grain, and aromatic quality. It's a relatively dense wood with an average dry weight of 680 kilograms per cubic meter. The wood can be prone to checking, especially in the burl areas, so careful machining is recommended. It's commonly used for high-end furniture inlays, cigar boxes, and other decorative items. Common names: Thuya Burl. Scientific name: Tetraclinis articulata. Distribution: Atlas Mountain region, primarily Morocco as well as subpopulations in Malta and southern Spain. Tree size: 20 to 50 feet, 6 to 15 m tall, 1 to 2 feet, 0.3 m trunk diameter. Average dried weight: 42 lb/ft3, 680 kilograms per cubic meter. Color and appearance. Color is generally an orangish or reddish-brown. Color tends to darken with age to a medium to dark reddish-brown. Nearly always exported and sold as burls from the root of the tree, with plain or unfigured wood of little commercial value. Grain and texture. Burl blocks can vary in frequency and size of knot clusters, but grain is more or less swirled irregular, with a medium to fine texture and good natural luster. Rot resistance. Rated as durable. Good insect borer resistance. Workability. Like most other burls, Thuya burl can be difficult to work, and care must be taken to avoid tear-out. Most shaping planing operations will result in torn grain, and should be performed by hand with very sharp tools. Sands and finishes well. Finishing. Lustrous or polished finishes are often preferred. Odor. Thuya has a very distinct cedar-like smell, intensive, aromatic, and pleasant. Pricing and availability. Most commonly sold as root burls. Expect prices to be very high, particularly on pieces with premium figuring exhibiting numerous tightly packed burl eyes. Sustainability. This wood species is not listed in the CITES appendices, and is reported by the IUCN as being a species of least concern. However, the small subpopulations in Malta and Spain are both regionally endangered. Common uses: high-end furniture, cigar boxes, knife handles, decorative items, carvings, veneer, decorative boxes, turned objects, and other small speciality wood items. Additional notes: Thuya burls are typically found at or below ground level. The wood is known for its rich, decorative pattern. Careful seasoning and machining are important due to the wood's tendency to check. It's a relatively rare and sought-after wood. Cedar-like tree that is the sole species in the Tetraclinis genus, though the tree has been formally classified in the Thuya genus, and the scent is very similar to western red cedar. National tree of Malta, sometimes called Thyaine or citron wood.